Politricks watch. This is her B. Now, remember one time Kevin Epstein had the most convenient car crash in Jamaican history? It prevented us from hearing any more details about some of the people who we was working with, because we know say Kevin Epstein couldn't have been doing all of that by himself without some of your favorite bigwigs. Well, this car accident might not be replacing Kevin Epstein as number one, but it's sure spooky. I'm telling you all about it. But before I'm going further, I have a Patreon birthday shout out. So I have a big up Soccer Boss to them birthday, to them earth strong. Soccer Boss, enjoy yourself, live life to the fullest, right? Go out there, eat and be merry, full of belly, when you see what people are drop left, right and center. So while the breath blow through your body, enjoy it. See, so big up yourself, Soccer Boss. Make we move into the video. Now may I play a couple clips from CVM. One of them will be from the mother of Donnalee Donaldson. We're not going to hear about one accident to shut her about. But before that, in the video yesterday, I was saying conflict of interest. After 3 police station, I joke out this entire investigation. Clearly, them not an interest in solving this. And if the case is going to see any real progress, it have to change to another station or another unit. Well, after I drop the video Sunday morning, later on, Sunday evening, Sunday night, I noticed a message start coming. When I look at one clip, the CVM. It turns out say they moved the case from Alpha 3 police station. This is a good turn of events. I'm going to play the clip from CVM so you can know what I talk about. Listen up.
Police sources have confirmed that the case of the 24-year-old missing woman, Donnalee Donaldson, has been transferred to the St. Andrews South Division due to a conflict of interest.
So if you heard yesterday's video, you'd know why I talk about this now. Because, as far as I'm concerned, nothing can change, at least in a positive sense, for the Donnalee case until things move from Alpha 3 police station. Now they move it. That is a good turn of events, but I'm wondering if it's too little, too late. So at first you say Donnalee missing. But now we are here say the baby mother missing. But not missing in the same way Donnalee missing, because with Donnalee, people are saying something happened to her, and at this point, the longer thing drag on, it's clear that she's not okay. But the baby mother, nobody can find her. Nobody can see her. We even hear say she potentially left Jamaica. That's interesting. So after 3 police station sit down on them on how long, never move quickly enough, and now the baby mother gone. If that's the case and she actually gone, then somebody need to explain themselves. Not just to a superior rank, but to the people of Jamaica. Because a papi shouting this. They had more than enough time. And them Squaddie, and if she gone, I buy them by her time. Simple as that. Buy her time for she left. I could talk about this producer / policeman. Now, you have a better understanding of what we're dealing with. Noel, aka Noel One Time Music. We don't know One Time Music? Yes. Another production house in Jamaica. Noel is no regular police. I don't want to hear police and think say he was the type of police where, spend day to day, pulling over cars and checking, documents and everything there. I don't even know how them man get time to be police, right, considering them extracurricular activities. Noel even get big up in a song from your favorite artist them. Him link with Teletubby and enough of them, right? They big him up in a song. He's not a regular cop. One bag of money, one bag of clout. And this clout explain why may I start to hear the same stories over and over. Which stories may I talk about? Well, you know it already. Sometimes we cover some case and then people who are familiar, right, with the individuals involved link up. So I'm thinking to myself, hold on. Are some money and clout powerful that even a reputation like female? Because all of a sudden we are here now say, I saw him stay and him used to do this to she and him used to do this to she. The unfortunate reality is that only when time something tragic happen, at them time there, people want like face the reality of who them are dealing with. People make all kind of excuse, right? But the same man them, People tell you say, mind your business. You chat too much. You bad mind. True you not on a bimmer. Right? True you not on the links. True nobody not make a song about you. You bad mind. That's what you hear. Most of the people who been reaching out to me since the video dropped yesterday are people who are very familiar, right, with, that circle. Let's just say that circle. And some of them admit, say they used to burn out the PIA movement, they used to burn me out because you talk about me, my producer, Virgin, I know, and you talk about me, artist, I know, right, and they can't believe, say, right, something like this happen, right, and I know them understand why. Let me explain something to them. What I'm telling you, say, don't wait until the monster turn up on the doorstep, when the thing say, I drop me a make. When the thing say, a friend me a look or me just want to talk. Because this case is one of the perfect examples of that. Because this young lady, Donnalee, is very popular. And everybody is saying the same thing. Them can't believe this happened. Them can't believe it happened to somebody with them know. People just hear say, a triple murder take place in Hanover, and them say, oh, boy, that's unfortunate. But because you don't know them people, and you don't walk amongst them people, it's different. It's easy to turn the blind eye and carry on with life. But when it's somebody like Donnalee, who people party with, hang out with, do TV program with, take picture with, them can see her face, know her personality, that humanize her to them. So when something like this happens to Donnalee, people get shake up because it seems real. Understand, so the murders them want go on all over Jamaica, them not seem real. It just sound like numbers. This is why I spent so much time on the Charmaine Ratry and George Lynch video, humanizing those two females, because people get caught up in just hearing say 3 dead, 2 dead. All you hear is numbers. It don't have the same effect because they don't feel like a real people. It's just a name and a number. The people them who support and power with and hang on with wanna know say are criminals. Wanna know say man a quote unquote bad man police, gunman police, right? Big links over here so commit too much acts and them thing there. And people probably tell you say, I'm linky that. Who them under a shatter, them under get anything done. I want to support these people. I want to support these people because them carry out them murders in a Salt Spring. I want to support these people because them carry out them murders in a Rivoli and Tradiga Park and Laristan and Rima. And the people them who them kill, who don't know them, who don't care about them. So when time we call out your favorite producer them, or your favorite policeman / producer, when they say, you chat too much. But then when that same producer turn around and bring harm to somebody who wanna know and love, crime is a problem. Crime needs to be addressed. It's unacceptable. We need to keep the same energy right across the board. Just so we're clear, we love the response to Donnalee Donaldson going missing. Me see all kind of people are share information. People were standing up saying them not accept it. But Donnalee Donaldson is a very popular young lady with a whole heap of friends. But that's not what happened for the average case. For the average case, when time people start share information and share this and share that, when they say, "Una informer." When it's just a regular woman from down a jungle, we're dead, and we are trying to solve the case, when they say, "Stop call bad man name, you're informer. Leave it alone, mind your business." Now, honestly, the informer concept is ridiculous. Because when there's somebody we care about, then you want informer to give information. This is the energy. Let Donnalee Donaldson case be an example for the whole Jamaica. This is how we need to make people who do things like this feel uncomfortable. Because right now, Noel one-time music is very uncomfortable. Over this weekend alone, he'll probably lose about 35 to 40 pounds. The whole time close to about sort of half time. Because them they expect things like this. Them used to doing what them want to do and nothing come out of it. It's just that now them buck up in a somebody that's very popular. Don't wait until somebody who you know and care about. Don't wait until it's a popular social media influencer. Don't wait until you're your favorite artist. this is the energy we need to keep right through. Anyway, let me play the next clip because I kind of go off on a tangent, but you know it already. I'm passionate about things like this. The mother of Donnalee Donaldson say policeman call her and tell her, say, then did I go search the apartment, right? Noel one time music apartment, where the car crash and police mash up. You can't make this up. Listen to this.
This morning, the inspector called me to let me know that they are on their way back to the house to do further investigations. And the officers, 4 of them, while on their way, met in an accident, and all 4 of them is in KPH. I don't know if that's so or that is true.
And that's some CVM TV. You can go over there go check out the rest. The video they put it on was released Sunday the 17th, which should be yesterday, depending upon when you hear this video. So you can go check it out and hear the full thing. What a convenient car crash. So, was there a second team sent? You even hear the mother say she don't even know if something goes so. Because it sounds like unicorn meat. And even if something happened to that car full of police officers, them can't send another car. Any excuse them want to give is just an excuse. They had ample time to search the apartment. The moment them hear say them can't find the girl, the moment them hear say people hear argument, them should immediately set off to go search apartment, search car. So that's right there, so whether something goes so or not, that is no excuse for why that apartment wasn't searched and searched much sooner. Stop tell the woman foolishness in her ears. Stop tell the Jamaican people foolishness in them ears. Officer police station drop the ball big time on that one. Yeah. And if the powers that be take police things serious, then would have a serious look on that station. Because this is unacceptable. Everything we hear so far from the girl going missing is unacceptable. Who knows how many other Mickey Mouse case then be like this? Complete joke. Anyway, at least they moved from Officer police station as a year conflict of interest. That should have been a given from day one. Immediately, them study that. The moment them find out, say, oh yes, so police, alright, move it. But no. You have to load them up first. You have to put them under pressure first. People have to go to yes first. And people have to make nice first before they want to do them job. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life, Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.